This is the slot car grid in scale 1 to 24 of the final at the historic challenge in Kassel. We have in the big class GT40s, Ferrari 330 P4s, Porsche 904. We have little Lotus, McLaren Elvas. We have Cooper Monacos, Ferrari 250 LM, Shelby Coopers, a lot of Porsches, 550, 356. Then we have Ferraris, Listers, many GTOs, Testarossas, 250 SVB, Maserati Birdcage, Pizzerinis. All of these are handmade mainly with GFK glass fiber bodies and a metal chassis. If you want to learn more about these fantastic cars or miniature, then just follow me on my YouTube or my other social media channels.